Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. Today we are going to dive into ISO 27018 and explore how it ensures data integrity and confidentiality. These two concepts are crucial for data security, especially in cloud computing. Let's break it down. First of all, let's quickly define ISO 27018. It's an international standard that focuses on the protection of personally identifiable information in the cloud. It provides guidelines for cloud service providers to ensure that personal data is handled securely, transparently, and in compliance with privacy regulations. What is data integrity and confidentiality? Before we dive into how ISO 27018 works, let's quickly define data integrity and confidentiality. Data integrity ensures that the data is accurate, consistent, and trustworthy. This means the data hasn't been tampered with or altered in an unauthorized way. Confidentiality, on the other hand, ensures that data is only accessible to those authorized to view it. In other words, it protects sensitive information from unauthorized access or exposure. Now let's explore how ISO 27018 safeguards these two aspects. Ensuring data integrity with ISO 27018. ISO 27018 ensures data integrity in several key ways. First, it emphasizes the importance of access control. Cloud service providers are required to implement a strict authentication and authorization measures. This ensures that only authorized personnel can access and modify personal data. Additionally, ISO 27018 encourages the use of data validation techniques. This means that cloud providers must verify the accuracy and completeness of data before storing or processing it. If any inconsistencies are found, they need to be addressed immediately to maintain the integrity of the data. Finally, audit trails plays a big role. ISO 27018 requires cloud providers to maintain detailed logs of data access and changes. This helps organizations detect any unauthorized modifications or potential breaches quickly, ensuring the data remains accurate and trustworthy. Ensuring data confidentiality with ISO 27018. When it comes to confidentiality, ISO 27018 offers robust measures to protect personal data. One of the most important aspects is encryption. ISO 27018 mandates that sensitive data, both at rest and in transit, must be encrypted. This means that even if unauthorized individuals intercept the data, they won't be able to read or use it without the decryption key. Another key practice is data segregation. ISO 27018 requires cloud providers to ensure that personal data is stored separately from other data. This prevents unauthorized access by isolating sensitive information, making it more difficult for attackers to compromise. Data minimization and retention. ISO 27018 also promotes data minimization. This principle ensures that cloud providers only collect and retain the minimum amount of personal data necessary for their services. By reducing the volume of data stored, the risk of unauthorized access or breaches is minimized. Furthermore, ISO 27018 has specific requirements for data retention and disposal. Personal data should only be retained for as long as necessary, and when it's no longer needed, it must be securely deleted or anonymized. This ensures that sensitive data doesn't sit around longer than required, reducing the chances of it being exposed. Transparency and compliance. Transparency is another pillar of ISO 27018. Cloud providers must be transparent about their data handling practices, informing customers about what data is collected, how it's used, and who has access to it. This builds trust and accountability, ensuring that confidentiality is upheld. Additionally, ISO 27018 ensures compliance with global data protection regulations like the GDPR. which strengthens both integrity and confidentiality by enforcing stricter rules on how data should be managed and protected. ISO 27018 plays a crucial role in ensuring both data integrity and confidentiality in the cloud. By enforcing strict access controls, encryption practices, data minimization, and transparency, ISO 27018 helps cloud providers protect personal data from unauthorized access and tampering. If you are using cloud services, ISO 27018 should give you peace of mind that your personal information is being handled securely and responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. See you in the next video.